Have you ever wondered how affiliate marketing came into existence? Let's turn the clock back to the mid-90s. The internet was still a new phenomenon, and e-commerce was just beginning to make its presence felt. Amidst this digital revolution, in 1996, a visionary named Jeff Bezos, the founder of Amazon, introduced a concept that would transform the e-commerce landscape forever: the Amazon Associates Program. This was the world's first affiliate marketing program. The idea was simple yet groundbreaking. Individuals could place links to Amazon products on their websites and earn a commission on any sales made through those links. It was a win-win proposition. Amazon gained free advertising and increased sales, while website owners found a new way to monetize their sites. This innovative approach ignited a spark that would gradually turn into a roaring flame. Other companies began to see the potential in this marketing strategy and followed suit. Before long, affiliate marketing became a central part of the digital marketing playbook. The advent of affiliate marketing was also a game changer for individuals and small businesses. It opened up a world of opportunities for people to earn online without needing to stock or ship products. All they needed was a website or a blog and the ability to drive traffic to it. Over the years, affiliate marketing has continued to evolve, adapting to changes in technology and consumer behavior. Today, it's not just about placing links on a website. Affiliates use email marketing, social media, SEO, and more to promote their affiliate products. In essence, affiliate marketing democratized the e-commerce industry. It allowed anyone with an internet connection and a bit of marketing savvy to participate in the online economy. It also created a symbiotic relationship between businesses and affiliates, where success is shared and everyone benefits. So next time you click on a link and make a purchase, remember, you're part of a chain that started more than 28 years ago, with a simple idea in a fledgling online bookstore. And that's how affiliate marketing took its baby steps into the digital world. Now that we know how affiliate marketing started, let's delve into what it actually is. Think of affiliate marketing as a three-way partnership. This partnership involves three key players: the merchant, the affiliate, and the customer. In this dynamic trio, each player has a crucial role to play. First, we have the merchant, also known as the product creator or seller. This could be a large enterprise or a solo entrepreneur. Basically, if there's a product out there, there's a good chance there's a merchant behind it. Next up is the affiliate, or the publisher. They could be an individual or a whole company. The affiliate's role is to promote the merchant's product. They do this by using various marketing strategies like SEO, content marketing, or even paid advertising. The goal here is to convince potential customers that this product is worth buying. Then we have the customer, the most important piece of the puzzle. Without the customer, there wouldn't be any sales to drive or commissions to earn. The customer can be anyone who's willing to purchase the product after being convinced by the affiliate's promotional efforts. What's interesting about affiliate marketing is how the affiliate gets rewarded. For every customer they bring in who makes a purchase, they earn a commission. This commission is a percentage of the sale price and is agreed upon by the merchant and the affiliate beforehand. So let's say an affiliate promotes a merchant's product and a customer decides to buy it. The affiliate then earns a portion of the sale. This means the more customers an affiliate can convince to make a purchase, the more money they can make. But it's not just the affiliate who benefits. The merchant also gets to sell more products without having to invest extra in marketing. They only pay when a sale is made, making it a cost-effective marketing strategy. In essence, affiliate marketing is a win-win situation for both the merchant and the affiliate. It's a clever way of leveraging existing audiences to drive sales, while also providing a means for people to earn income online. Pretty neat, right? With an understanding of what affiliate marketing is, it's time to explore how it works. In the world of affiliate marketing, the journey begins when an affiliate decides to join an affiliate program. This is essentially a contract between the affiliate and the company or individual who owns the product. The affiliate or marketer agrees to promote the product on their platform, whether it be a blog, a YouTube channel, a podcast, or even a social media account. This affiliate program provides the marketer with a unique referral link, also known as an affiliate link. This link is the key that unlocks the magic of affiliate marketing. It's unique to each affiliate, allowing the company to track where their customers are coming from. Once armed with this link, the affiliate takes on the role of a promoter. They'll create engaging content around the product, cleverly incorporating their unique link into the mix. This could be a review, a how-to guide, a listicle, or any other type of content that would best resonate with their audience. The goal here is to convince the audience of the product's value and encourage them to make a purchase. Now here's where the magic happens. Every time a visitor clicks on the affiliate's link and makes a purchase, the affiliate earns a commission. This commission is a predetermined percentage of the sale price, agreed upon in the affiliate program. It's the reward for the affiliate's promotional efforts and the incentive to continue driving sales. The beauty of this system lies in its win-win nature. The product owner gains exposure and sales they might not have achieved alone, and the affiliate earns a commission for their efforts. It's a symbiotic relationship where both parties benefit. Payment to the affiliate is typically made on a monthly basis, though the frequency can vary depending on the affiliate program. It's important to note that an affiliate is only paid for successful sales. Simply driving traffic to the product's website isn't enough to earn a commission. The visitor must actually make a purchase through the affiliate's unique link. The affiliate marketing mechanism doesn't end here, though. It's an ongoing cycle of joining programs, promoting products, earning commissions, and receiving payments. As the affiliate's audience grows and their promotional efforts become more effective, so too does their potential to earn higher commissions. Affiliate marketing is a dynamic and ever-evolving field. With the rise of digital technology, social media, and influencer culture, it's become an increasingly popular and effective marketing strategy. It's a game of strategy, creativity, and a dash of luck. But when played right, the rewards can be substantial. That's the basic mechanism of affiliate marketing, simple yet effective. To better grasp the concept, let's look at some successful instances of affiliate marketing. One of the most well-known examples of successful affiliate marketing programs is the Amazon Associates program. Amazon, being one of the world's biggest online retailers, has an extensive range of products that affiliates can promote. From electronics to fashion to books, there's something for every niche. What makes Amazon Associates uniquely successful is the sheer volume and variety of products available for promotion. Affiliates earn a commission for every product sold through their referral link, and with Amazon's vast product range, the earning potential is substantial. Now let's turn our attention to ClickBank, another giant in the affiliate marketing industry. ClickBank specializes in digital products like ebooks and online courses, providing a platform for creators to sell their products and affiliates to promote them. With high commission rates, often up to 75%, ClickBank has become a preferred choice for many affiliate marketers. The platform's success lies in its focus on digital products, which typically have higher profit margins, allowing for generous commission rates. But it's not just large platforms that can make affiliate marketing successful. Many bloggers and influencers have also found success with affiliate marketing. By partnering with companies that align with their niche and audience, they can provide authentic recommendations to their followers and earn a commission on any resulting sales. For instance, a beauty blogger might partner with a cosmetics company, promoting their products in blog posts or social media updates. When followers purchase the recommended products using the blogger's affiliate link, the blogger earns a commission. This approach can be incredibly successful, as it combines the authenticity of personal recommendation with the reach and influence of digital platforms. These examples just go to show how lucrative and versatile affiliate marketing can be. Whether you're a large online retailer, a digital product platform, or an individual blogger, there's potential to earn significant income through affiliate marketing. And the best part? It's a win-win situation for both the marketer and the business, creating a mutually beneficial partnership that can lead to substantial growth and success. Now let's wrap up everything we've learned about affiliate marketing. We've journeyed through its evolution, from its humble beginnings in the late 90s to the powerhouse it has become today. It's more than just a buzzword. It's a strategic marketing approach that bridges the gap between businesses and consumers. Affiliate marketing is all about promoting products or services of a business, earning a commission for each successful referral. It's a win-win scenario. Businesses expand their reach and affiliates earn passive income. We've also delved into real-life examples where everyday individuals, influencers, and bloggers have successfully utilized affiliate marketing to monetize their platforms and create a steady income stream. It's important to remember, affiliate marketing isn't just about selling. It's about creating value for your audience and building relationships with them. And that's your crash course on affiliate marketing. Remember, it's not just about selling, it's about creating value and building relationships.